Welcome to No Nonsense Hosting. In this quick video, I will show you how you can easily change your listing settings once you've published it. Try and do this from a computer because their phone app is not suitable for things like this. And once you're logged into VRBO from your computer, you will need to click on your profile image here on the top right and then choose Owner Dashboard. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. And once there, click on this property icon here on the left hand side, and that will open up a sub menu, and then you will see the various options. The only three things you need to go into to change your settings is first is edit property. When you click on that, it will open up this property menu where you can go into each of these things like photos, property description, amenities, rooms and spaces, and things like that. And if you want to go back into the other section, which is taxes, click on that, and this is where you can add the taxes for your property if there is something you're meant to collect and all that. And when you go back, the rules and policies is the third section. This is where you can set your check-in and check-out times, house rules, rental agreement, booking type if you want to switch from instant to 24-hour review, payment terms, and if there is any damage protection you want to include in the booking. So in summary, these are the three pages you need to go to. Once you're logged into your property dashboard, go to edit property, taxes, and rules and policies, and that will cover everything. But if you want to change your payment details, you can click on this payments options and then click on payout accounts. And this is where you can set your payout information and all that. Just click on change bank account, and that will lead you to a screen where you can enter your new bank details. For privacy reasons, I won't be able to show you that screen, but this is all you need to know. It is fairly easy once you know where to go. I don't know why VRBO makes it so complicated for people to find it, but now at least you know where to go to change different settings. I really hope you find this quick video helpful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.